Yeah.
Good evening, all. Good evening, all. Suchi ma'am, I'll be introducing, I'll start with Madhavi because she's the principal.
Lata, 1 second. Lata, let me introduce Shuchi to the learners first, and then we will introduce them. So fine. Please go on mute. Everybody go on mute, please. Thank you. So good evening, learners. Today we have our guest with us, Shuchi Goel. Shuchi, can you wave, please? Yeah, that is Shuchi. So a warm welcome to you, Shuchi. I would like to say a few things about Shuchi. నేను తెలుగులో చెప్తాను మీకు అందరికీ అర్థమయ్యేటట్లుగా ఎక్కడ పొల్లిపోకుండా అర్థమవుతుందని చెప్పి. Shuchi is actually an electrical engineer. క్రాంప్టన్ గ్రీవ్స్ పేరు విన్నారా మీరు ఎవరన్నా క్రాంప్టన్ గ్రీవ్స్ విన్నారా పేరు? She has worked in companies like Crompton Greaves, Philips, then Clipsal Australia. ఇట్లాంటి కంపెనీస్ లో షీ హెస్ వర్క్డ్ యాజ్ అ ఎలక్ట్రికల్ ఇంజనీర్. ఆ తర్వాత ఆవిడ టెక్నికల్ లైటింగ్ ఇంజనీర్ గా పనిచేశారు. ఎక్కడ ఇన్ వర్క్డ్ యాజ్ ప్రోడక్ట్ మేనేజర్, టెక్నికల్ లైటింగ్ ఇంజనీర్ అండ్ ప్రోడక్ట్ మేనేజర్ ఇన్ యుఏఈ. యుఏఈ అంటే యునైటెడ్ అరబ్ ఎమిరేట్స్. అన్ని దుబాయ్, షార్జా అవన్నీ వస్తాయి అందులో. 1995 నుంచి 2006 వరకు ఈ కంపెనీలో ఆవిడ వర్క్ చేశారు. తర్వాత మళ్ళీ she improved her qualifications, she enhanced her studies, SAP MM certification చేసి 2002లో కన్సల్టెంట్ సిమెన్స్ ఇన్ఫోటెక్ కి కన్సల్టెంట్ గా వర్క్ చేశారు. సో ప్రస్తుతం she's in Oman, she's placed in Oman, she has joined us all the way from Oman. Thank you so much, Shuchi. She's a homemaker. ప్రస్తుతం ఆవిడ ఇంట్లో she's taking care of her family as her priority today. Even then, during the COVID time, ఆవిడ ఖాళీగా ఉండకుండా she did a course in digital marketing, and we are very, very fortunate to have her as a content writer for Come For You Foundation. She was in charge of our newsletter. She took care of the entire formatting, designing, and presenting and content writing of our first newsletter. I think we have shared that with you. So she is giving her valuable services and inputs to us. We thank her from the bottom of our heart. Thank you so much, Shuchi. Presently, I said she's a homemaker. She's in Oman. She has 2 children, aged 19 and 15. They're in college and they are studying in India. She's away from her kids also. So thank you so much. Now over to Lata ma'am to coordinate, and Shuchi, the floor is open to you. Thank you, Lata. Welcome again, Shuchi. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Meenaji. Thank you, Meenaji.
Yeah, Lata, carry on.
Lata, you're on mute, ma'am.
Lata, you're on.
Yeah. Welcome to my class, Suchi ma'am. It's so nice to have
Thank
you
you,
here
Lata.
with my teachers today. It's a great pleasure having you here. And then I'll start with Madhavi because she's the principal and the coordinator with all the teachers, and with her, what I'll say, she approached the Calm Foundation, and then we had to go. All the teachers came into this platform, and this is my first batch with them. So I'll introduce you to Madhavi, and she will introduce herself to you. And teachers, please, everybody has to introduce yourself. I'll be telling you after Madhavi. I'll call each and everybody's name. Please introduce yourselves to her so that she will also know who you are and what you are and what you're doing, everything. Okay, I'll just call your names because Suchi ma'am is very new to us. So one by one I'll call you, then you can introduce yourself to her. Yeah, Madhavi garu, please.
Very good evening, ma'am, Amina ma'am, and Lata ma'am, and Suchi ma'am. Very glad to meet you in this session today. We are eagerly waiting to hear from you, and we meet you in the session today. And I'm Madhavi. I'm working as a teacher in Andhra Pradesh. Basically, I'm working as a primary teacher from last 21 years. Basically, we have recently we participated in energizing curriculum. I participated in energizing curriculum, and recent times our SCRT is initiating to transform our schools into English medium schools right now. And we are all having a background of Telugu medium. Basically, we have studied in Telugu medium schools. Our education is all in the medium of Telugu. So little bit we are struggling to continue our teaching practice in English in our schools. So I thought when I spoke with Mrs. Kiranmai, she is my cousin sister. I got this idea to grab this opportunity of learning English through Come For You Foundation of Amina Ma'ams. It is really a great opportunity for the teachers. We are all here in this session. Genuinely, we are always trying to improve our language for the next level. So definitely, this is a great opportunity for us. Thank you, ma'am. Very nice to meet you today.
Nice to meet you, Madhvi. Yeah, and it's never late to learn a language or anything. This is what we've been learning. Learning is a lifelong thing. So it's always good to learn. And I'm so happy that you are taking a step forward to learn English. And all of you, I'll say it's a commendable job for all of you to learn English at this stage. My parents both are teachers. They've retired. So as far as teaching community goes, it's in my blood. So I can understand what teachers go through every day. And you all are teachers and homemakers also. So very happy to know that you people are on this stage also ready to learn things.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, Madhvi. And really, Suchi ma'am, I should appreciate all my teachers because after the school, they come back home and then they come back from school and then they join my classes with all that enthu. Basically, they must be tired, but
I know
they really respond so well to my class, and I'm very happy with them. Now I'll introduce Vani. Actually, she's
Shuchi, have you noticed the possessiveness in her tone? My teachers, my class.
Yes.
She's owning the whole program. Huh?
Yes.
That's so nice to see.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. Because every evening, by 6 I'm ready and I'm sitting in front of.
Yeah, she's taken complete charge of the initiative. So we need more teachers like her, right?
Yeah.
Carry on, Lata. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Everybody, please come on to video. Everybody, come on to video. The session is being recorded.
Yeah. So I'll introduce Vani now. She's a teacher, Telugu. She teaches maths and all the subjects basically. But she's other than a teacher, she's a classical singer also. So Vani, please. She's waiting for one day for me to take a class so that she can sing in my class. I said I'll just keep it aside one day for all the talented teachers in my class.
Okay, ma'am. Namaste. Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, all.
Good evening. Good.
This is Vani, ma'am. Really, it's a wonderful opportunity for all my colleagues and me to see you in this Zoom. So very thank you, ma'am, Amina ji, ma'am, Lata, ma'am, to give this opportunity. So I'm working as a government school teacher at East Godavari, madam, AP in AP. My school is in it's a rural area, ma'am. It's a village atmosphere. Of course, it is interior place. Our school is in interior place. In my school, we have 300 students, ma'am. It's a very large year, ma'am. In this year, we have a lot of admissions in my school. Basically, we have now in English medium. Our government introducing English medium now, ma'am. So that's why we want to learn something to develop my vocabulary in English, ma'am. That's why I joined through Madhvi, ma'am. So thank you for giving this opportunity to all team, ma'am. I'm very glad to see you. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Very nice, Navani.
Very nice.
Shuchi.
Yeah.
Over to you.
So Vani, can you unmute yourself, please?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Vani, what subjects do you like more to teach?
Yes, I like mathematics, ma'am. Basically, it's my mother's subject, maths and physics.
Okay.
Then I mostly I like Telugu also, ma'am. But my mother
Okay.
tongue Telugu. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So how will you translate? Like if now till now you were teaching in Telugu, now you have to teach in English. Will you be comfortable to teach, or it's a little tough to teach in English?
A little, ma'am, little.
Little.
But yes, ma'am.
So your
But
strength, yeah.
But I try to myself to approach English to in English, ma'am, in language.
Good, good. And the students you said have increased to 300. Earlier you had very less strength.
Yes, ma'am. Of course, we have only 150.
Oh.
Last year, now it increased up to 300.
So were you doing online classes, Vani?
Yeah, ma'am. In COVID time, ma'am, we
Oh, you
conduct
were
online.
doing. Oh, so you were comfortable doing online classes that time?
Of course, we have less communication, ma'am, but because students have no mobiles or no
Yes.
internet connections, ma'am.
Yes.
Little students came to class, ma'am. Or
Yeah.
20, 15 students we approached, ma'am.
So do you teach music also in class, or it's just your hobby?
Yes, ma'am. I teach patriotic songs like
Okay.
that, ma'am.
Okay. Very nice, Vani. Keep it up.
Thank you,
I
ma'am.
think you're doing very well, and you'll do a great job teaching in English. You're
Yes, ma'am.
picking up, and Lata ma'am has taught you very nicely. I'm proud of you.
Thank you so much.
Yeah. Thank you, Suchi.
Yeah.
Thank you, Vani garu. And I will, next teacher in my list is Ammaji. Actually, she comes from a very small village, and she's staying all alone in a separate village where her parents are not there. And basically, she does a lot of social work also. Like they have some tribal people near her village. She goes to them, and then she tells them to, she educates them, she tells them to plant trees and all that. So basically, she's into all these other than her teaching. She does all these other things also. So I really like her for that. So Ammaji.
Yes, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, all of
Good
you.
evening.
Good evening,
Good.
ma'am.
Good evening, Amma.
Yes, ma'am. Heartily welcome to ma'am. Firstly, heartily welcome to this session. And I'm so excited to talk with you. And I'm very special thanks to Madhu ma'am for introducing this session, and Lata ma'am and Amina ma'am. My name is Ammaji ma'am, and I'm Lata ma'am told about me. I don't know, ma'am introduced myself in that way. I feel very happy, and I'm working as a government school teacher in Andhra Pradesh in East Godavari district, and I want to learn more English, and I would like to speak in English, and I'm passionate about in English. That's why I'm I I joined this. I joined this section. Yeah, that's it, ma'am. Thank you.
Good to
Can-
know, Ammaji. You're at a place where English is not very well spoken, I think, right?
Yes, yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So you need people to communicate to learn a language.
Yes, ma'am.
So being a school teacher, it will help you because now you can talk to children, you can speak with children. So what do you do in social service? Like, what type of social service interests you?
Basically, I am from tribal area. In my area, I saw lot of situations, and they're facing lot of trouble. I don't go to do so far doing the social work in my area. I feel that educated some persons and told them outside situations and the importance of education. This because of I am a teacher. That's why I can, if I told them, they are listening. So I do that type of social work.
So you bring their children to school, Ammaji? Like the tribals, do they send their children to school?
In my village, there is no only first to 8th class only. But we studied higher classes. We go to other places and studied in hostel. We encourage
Okay.
them which type of school you selected, which hostel is best, and which type of course you selected. We encourage them.
So where did you study?
I studied in all government schools, and I am also studied in all hostels.
Okay.
Now I am also staying alone because my village is so far. That's why I'm staying.
So what subject do you teach? All subjects?
I teach, yes, ma'am. I teach all subjects. I teach third class students.
Okay.
Third,
So you have other teachers staying with you?
no, ma'am. I'm staying alone in my
Oh.
school. I have colleagues.
You have colleagues.
Yes.
Okay. All the best. You will learn English and you will rock, Ammaji. Don't worry. And bring more students to learn. Learning is the most important thing because that opens a lot of doors for everybody.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, you're doing a good job.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
All the best, Ammaji.
Thank you.
Thank you, Ammaji. Nice. You really spoke well, Ammaji, today. I'm very happy
Thank
about
you,
it. Yeah.
Thank you.
Another teacher is Sharda Garu. She's very quiet, and she teaches Hindi in her school, and she got a couple of awards also in teaching line. And past 22 years, she's been teaching Hindi in her school. And Sharda Garu, please introduce.
Yes, ma'am.
yourself.
Yes, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, Suchi, ma'am, and
Good evening.
Amina, ma'am, and um, Lata, ma'am. My name is Sharda. As a actually, I know Hindi very well, but English is very poor. That's why my aim is speaking in English, but I don't know the way how to I learn and how to where are you where I approach anybody. I don't know the way. Then Madhuri ma'am gave this opportunity. And really thankful, Madhuri ma'am. And now, really, I am very happy to join in this teaching, learning group. Lata ma'am really, they gave very great suggestions, and Amina ma'am and Kiran ma'am also, they gave very beautiful sessions and how to speak and what are the faults, what are the wrongs we done in our speaking. Their sessions, their valuable sessions with us. We are very thankful to them. And I am only speaking Telugu and Hindi. Now I want to speak in English also with fluency. I want this, my wish. This is my wish. This very thankful to. And we are very eagerly waiting for you, ma'am. Welcome in our class, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
Yes, ma'am.
So
This
good
is
to
it.
hear, Sharada, somebody is teaching Hindi, because Hindi for any non-Hindi speaker to teach and learn is a big thing. So you are already doing a commendable job, a fantastic job to teach another language. And any language, Sharada, takes a little bit time and effort. If it's any language, maybe when you learned Hindi, it would have been a difficult task initially, because you won't find people you can talk to, right? So can you
Yes,
tell
ma'am.
me, Sharada, why did you take up Hindi as a language to teach?
Actually, I got early marriage. In time, no? My husband worked in Delhi, that side,
Oh,
ma'am.
okay.
Yes, ma'am. I went there, but starting, I also very difficult. I also very difficult to face to talk in Hindi.
Yes.
Then I very focused on so many people are talking in Hindi. I focused on that. What they are talking, how to they are talking. These are I focused them. Then I take grip and I completed my Hindi exams. All 8 exams are there. I completed my exams. Then I take training in Hindi. Then BSc, I prepared for BSc and I got the job. Yes.
Very commendable. I'll tell you, I was staying in Bangalore for 4 years, and learning Kannada was a typical job for me, because I had to talk to the people who were helping us in the college, and I could only pick up words in 4 years. So Sarda, you have done a very impossible task already, and English is not that difficult. If you can do Hindi, English is much easier than Hindi that way.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much.
So I will say that you've been doing it very well, and English will also come to you because your focus is so good. So all the best, Sharda.
Thank you,
And
ma'am.
I want to learn from you. How did you learn Hindi is a big thing. I am a Hindi speaking person, but still, if you tell me to teach Hindi, it's like, okay, I can't teach Hindi. I have done Hindi, finish. So
Yeah,
I really
yeah.
salute you.
Yeah, in Andhra Pradesh, they encourage a lot of this Hindi. They have 7 or 8 levels. It's called different
8,
names.
ma'am.
Pravina, Visharada. I don't know all the names, but they're names like that. And many people in Andhra, I know especially, they do this as a routine thing, as a routine thing, they study Hindi. So all these tests are passed. She has done all the 8 levels. That is really commendable.
Yes.
Many do 2 or 3 levels, Vaisato. It's quite common there. So Hindi is a language which is they're learned in Andhra Pradesh. Not so much in Telangana.
Yeah, in Telangana.
So that is the.
But
I'm also a government student, ma'am. I studied in government school.
Okay. So what is nice about the place you stay in, Sharda?
Bangalore, ma'am.
No, you are working where now?
No, I am Rajahmundry rural, ma'am. Now I am working in Rajahmundry rural.
Okay. Great, Sharda. You'll do well. Don't worry. Your focus is very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
You need to speak to more people. That's the only thing in English.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you, Lata.
Yeah, Sharda, ma'am. Yeah, Sharda, ma'am. Thank you so much. Thank you, Suchi, for the encouraging words to her. Because, we studied in Hindi, so we take it for granted, sometimes. As what you said, if you have to teach in Hindi, it is very impossible.
Yes.
So a little bit of English words will 100% come
Yes.
into our
Yes.
thing. So it is
No,
so
ma'am,
nice
Hindi is
because
very easy, ma'am.
yeah, I know because I studied in Hindi, but teaching in Hindi is a real difficult job.
Yes.
Sharda garu. Sharda garu,
Sorry
that
to
is what I
interrupt,
said.
Lata. The meeting will be over in 5 minutes. All of you,
Oh.
please join back with the same login ID and password. Okay?
Okay,
Once
okay.
the meeting is
Yeah.
over, kindly join everybody with the same. Yeah, continue.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
ma'am. Thank
Yeah, yeah.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, so that is what I was trying to tell you. So teaching in Hindi is a real next to impossible because we are
Yeah.
so used to talking in English. So that comes off immediately rather than the Hindi words basically.
Yes. Yes.
So thank you, Sharda Garu. And now I'll call Subbalakshmi Garu because she is also one of the teachers and she teaches Telugu. She's a Telugu Pandit actually. But with all her household problems, she has to take care of her old in-laws. They stay with her and two, what will you say, college-going boys. She's so interested to learn English. So I really appreciate her with kind of things, at least once in a day, I get her a call after 10 o'clock because I think she'll be free after that. She gives me a call saying that, Madam, what to do? Is this the homework? How should I go about it? This is what I am not able to do. So I really appreciate her for joining my class and attending every day without fail. Even when she's taking a leave also, she'll tell me, that she's not going to come to the class. That kind of very sincere lady she is. So I want to introduce Subbalakshmi Garu. Please, Miro, you introduce yourself to Suchi ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you. Namaste, ma'am. Good evening. I am Subbalakshmi. Today's our honorable guest, ma'am, but some now video is not connected. Madam name, I don't know, ma'am.
Suchi.
Shuchi.
ma'am
Shuchi.
Pandit.
Suchi, ma'am.
Shuchi.
Okay, ma'am. Our honorable guest, Suchi, ma'am. Good evening. And Amina, ma'am. And Lata, ma'am. And Ketmai, ma'am. My also good evening, ma'am. And I am Subbalakshmi. I am working in, ma'am. Firstly, I am joined in the class through Madhavi ma'am. Thankful to Madhavi ma'am. I am Subbalakshmi. I am working as a school assistant Telugu in Rajahmundry, in Venkatagiri, MP UPS Venkatagiri, Rajahmundry Rural and AP. My school is very pleasant, ma'am. My school strength is 360 members, 350 members, ma'am. Now joining people very much interesting, ma'am. Private school students will be back my government schools and more joinings government. So we government teachers all are appreciate in government schools and successful, ma'am.
I think Lakshmi, it's very nice to know you were a Telugu assistant and still you want to learn English. That is the first thing. So can you tell me about your village, where you are staying? What's famous there?
Famous, ma'am?
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am. I'm staying Rajahmundry, ma'am. School, my house nearby, ma'am. 1 km distance.
Okay.
I went to school by bike, and I live in school very nearly, ma'am. So Rajahmundry famous famous drinks, Rajahmundry famous food, ma'am.
Oh.
Lakshmi Garu, tell her that you like rose milk. You always mention that.
That is famous there? Rose milk?
And rose kova also, ma'am. Rose kova also very nice and very tasty.
Oh. And what do your boys do?
Ma'am, boys, my
Yeah,
eldest
your
son,
son. Yeah.
my eldest son, BTech third year within Chennai, ma'am, and
Oh.
my other son, second son, intermediate completed, and to be MSET, AP MSET, Telangana MSET got good ranks, ma'am, and to be waiting NEET, ma'am, NEET results.
NEET
We are
results.
waiting.
Very good, Subbalakshmi. Very
APM
good.
set,
So,
APM set is a 13 got my son rank 139.
congrats,
Wow,
Subbalakshmi.
13.
See, you're working so hard. Your kids are getting such good grades. They are in such good colleges. And I wish you luck that your son gets into NEET. I think
Thank you,
it's
ma'am.
every mother's dream that their kids become more famous than themselves, right?
Thank you.
So,
Yes, ma'am.
so do you talk to your kids in English?
Yes, ma'am. Very nice. Daily I recognize and very good, ma'am. My family members sometime when nowadays some few sentences talk to few sentences, ma'am.
So you can work very nicely. You should speak to your kids, your son, and you will be very, very good, Subbalakshmi, because any language you need to speak to somebody. So in your house, you should speak to your sons, and I tell you, you will have no issues with English after some time. Yeah. So I think you should tell your sons to talk to you in English more than Telugu.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
And your rose milk and rose khoya when I come to AP will be due.
Yes.
Sure, ma'am. Sure.
Yeah. All the best, Subbalakshmi, and you'll do really well. And best wishes to your sons also.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you, Subbalakshmi. We'll
She's
log
so
in now,
dedicated
Amina ji.
in-
Yeah.
we'll once again.
Go out and log in.
Yeah.
again.
Yeah.
Yeah, less than a
Yeah.
minute. Please. Thank you.
Yes.
Thank
Please,
you.
Thank
teachers,
you.
please leave and join once again.
Nice having you, Kiran.
Same here.
Yeah, thank you, Subbalakshmi Garu, for
Thank you.
actually, I should say her husband is also encouraging her to speak in English every day. And she was worried after classes what will happen to her. But her husband told her, it seems that I'm there to encourage you. I'll talk to you in English, don't worry. First of all, learn the basics of the English here when the classes are going on. But after that, I'm there to talk to you in English. That's what her
Yeah, but
husband said.
after that also, after 10 o'clock in the night, you can still trouble her, no problem.
You can still trouble me.
Yeah, you can still trouble Lata ma'am, even after the classes.
I'm available to all my teachers.
Yeah. See, again,
Thank
she
you.
says, my
Yeah.
teachers. See, I should
My
see.
teachers.
My
Yes.
teachers.
So much, ma'am.
They
Yes,
just
taken
become like
ownership.
my family, you know, because I mean, every day if I don't see them, I feel so, there is a big void sometimes. You know. The Sunday,
Yeah.
I don't know how I spend my Sunday these days. All the 6 days, it is nice that we have the program all the 6 days. I should suggest for the Sunday also. Anyway, jokes apart, now I'm going to introduce Sudha. She's one of the naughtiest in my class. And whenever there is a discussion in the class, she's the first one to ask a question to others and pull them like anything. Sudha Rani, please come. Please introduce yourself. Very naughty girl.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, Sudha.
Ma'am. Good evening, ma'am. Suchi ma'am.
Good evening, Sudha.
Yeah, ma'am. Kalpastagoda district, AP. I am interested. I'm interested.
So, Sudha, excuse me, ma.
Excuse
Sudha,
this claim always.
you're not, Sudha, you're not audible,
You're
ma.
not audible.
Please check your connections.
Ma'am, am I audible?
Yeah.
Yeah, please put your mic near your mouth. That should be fine.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you. Good evening, Suchi ma'am. I'm
Good
Sudharani,
evening.
a secondary grade teacher in MPPS Chinavangalpudi at Sitanagaram Mandal, East Godavari district and AP. I'm introduced to this English time for teachers through Madhvi ma'am. I'm thankful for her to her, and Lata ma'am is my teacher, and Amina ma'am is my mentor. Uh, uh, Kiranmai ma'am is a guest lecture, like she'll come sometimes, and Lata ma'am tell everything in a very good and friendly manner. Amina ma'am is like principal to me. She always extended. I mean, she always corrected me in a right way or in a right guidance. Whenever I say any mistakes or I'll tell any, she always suggested me to what is right or what is wrong. By these classes, I am learning so many things, and me and my friend were discussing daily about this class, and we are very much happy to participate in this class also. And I joined I joined here from 1.5 months. Before I to the class, I am very much scared to speak in English. I know, but a little much hesitation and scary fear, all those comes in front of me. Am I to like this? What others will think? But after joining in this class, I am very much. I am confidently saying this. I am speaking English in a very good manner and in a fluent manner. If I did any mistakes, Lata ma'am will always there for me to correct myself, to correct me, and she is like she correct me in a very in a friendly manner. So I like her the most, and these classes are very useful for me, and I am improving myself, and I am knowing very good and better things from the classes. Please, Suchi ma'am, my heartily welcome to you to this session, and
Thank you.
please extend your knowledge in front of all of us, and we will learn so many things from you also. Thank you so much, ma'am, for this wonderful opportunity. Thank you.
My God, Sudha, it was like an opening speech, and
I know.
I don't think I need to help you. And as Lata ma'am said, you're already naughty.
One thing, yeah, Kiran, if you have noticed, Shuchi, Lata, one thing she has said so well. She's the only one who took the name of the initiative. She says English time.
English time.
Yes. I was so happy.
And
Thank you so much.
thanks for making me a guest lecturer.
Guest lecturer.
Yes. And a principal,
She's
Amina
indeed
ji.
very naughty.
I know.
Yeah.
And principal is Amina ji.
She's giving us all these posts.
Yes.
So this, Sudha, you are too good actually. Sudha, what Lata ji said that you are the naughty one, but I think you should get the award of the best student because you gave a very good opening speech and a closing speech together today. You introduced Kiran, you introduced Amina ji and Lata ma'am also. So I think, Sudha, you are doing too good. And I would just tell you that you should listen to some English, like a serial or something. What happens in that is when you listen, you get to pick up the dialect also, like the way they speak. So where you are going wrong. So if like you're watching a Telugu serial, so sometimes start watching an English serial. So it will help you, Sudha, because you are on a very high pedestal already. So tell me, Sudha, what subject do you teach?
Sure.
Her signal is not correct, I think. She's not on mute, but still. Sudha, we can't hear
I
you.
teach.
No, Sudha, can't hear you.
Yes, ma'am.
Maybe you can switch off your video, Sudha, and then talk if there's a network issue.
We'll come
Sudha,
back.
switch
No.
off your video and then
Yeah, Sudha.
talk in the audio.
Sudha, switch off your video for some time. Yeah.
Yeah.
Audible?
Now you speak.
Now speak.
Ma'am, am I audible?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, can you repeat me once
Yeah.
again?
What subject do you like to teach, Sudha?
I like to teach English, ma'am, but I teach 4 subjects.
Okay. So what's your favorite subject to teach, Sudha?
My favorite subject is English, ma'am. I always use it. I always interested to say English only.
But you've done your graduation in which subject for teacher training?
No, ma'am, I am not graduate.
Okay. So how,
I
like
just
you
did
did
my
your teacher's training?
Intermediate, yes, ma'am. Intermediate and then teacher training. I am doing my BA English Literature now, ma'am.
Oh,
Now I
good.
am second year.
Okay. And what grade do you teach? What classes do you teach, Sudha?
I teach 1, 2, 3 classes, ma'am. First 3 classes.
Okay. Okay. So learning English will help you in your graduation as well as teaching, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. That's fine.
So tell me, how do you like after this course? Does it help you in your BA literature also?
Yes, ma'am. Of course, it will help me.
It will help you. So
Yes,
you're
ma'am.
doing it through correspondence, your BA literature?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Distance, ma'am. In
Distance learning. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And what are your hobbies, Sudha?
I sing songs, ma'am, and reading books, painting, drawing. So many hobbies, ma'am.
Oh, wow. So you have a lot of things to do apart from teaching. So do you teach
Yes,
children
ma'am. Yes,
drawing and all?
Yes, ma'am. I teach my children drawing. I make teaching learning material for them that will help them to understand in a easy manner. And I do some crazy, as Lata ma'am said, I do naughty things as well. I'm agreeing that.
So I think, Sudha, you must be your kid's favorite teacher. Huh? All your children must be loving you. 1, 2, 3,
yes, ma'am,
great,
of course.
right? Yeah. So you must be very,
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
yeah. So Sudha, I
I'll
think,
narrate some little stories, ma'am,
yeah, please tell.
to my children. Not now, ma'am. I used
No, no.
I
Tell one
always
story at least,
narrate
Sudha.
some
Tell one story
little-
to us also. Lata
Ma'am,
ma'am has heard your
I'll tell-
stories.
I'll tell
One
in
small story.
Telugu, ma'am. Mostly.
No. I want you to try in English, Sudha, because we are doing this English time, no? So try one small episode of what happened with you.
Chuchi doesn't understand Telugu.
Yeah, I don't understand Telugu. I am North Indian, no? Delhiite.
Oh. Okay, ma'am. I will.
Yeah, Sudha. Yeah.
Once there was a village. There is a rat. His name is Chuchu. And he thinks that he was the king to that kingdom. But king is there, and she is going on her way. Then she saw a she saw a cloth with she saw a very costly cloth, and she took that to tailor and asked him to make a little cap for her, and he said, don't you have any time? I am very busy, I can't do this. Then the rat said, I will come in the evening, and I will take my army, and I will spoil all your clothes. Then he scared, and then he stitched a beautiful cap for her, and then she put her cap on his head, and on her head, and she going all the way. Then she thought that if I had a lace to it, then it will more beautiful. Then she went to lace shop and asked him, can you please stitch a lace to me, to my cap? Then he said, don't you have any time? Then the rat said, I will come at the evening, I took my army, I will spoil all your laces. Then he's scared, and she stitches a wonderful lace to his cap, and then she is going like that, and she is feeling that I am the king of this palace, I am king of this kingdom. Then two soldiers came to her, to him, and then they by the note, the king also heard about this rat, and king wanted the rat in front of him. Then the soldiers came, they asked that king is calling you. Then he said, I am the king. If he's the I am the king, that way if you want to meet me, then call him, come to me. Then the king then soldiers asked, then the soldiers tell, don't you have mind, he is our king in this kingdom, you have to come there. Then he said, I will come at night, and bring I bring all my army, and I will definitely spoil all your clothes and vagera. Then they informed to the king, asked, and that said, I am the king, look at my topi, and look at me, I am the king, you are not a king. She said like that, he told like that. Then the king then the king asked her, then the king allowed her to be punished. Then she again said, I will come at night, I took my army, and I will spoil all your kingdom, like that she said. Then the king realized that, okay, I will teach you a lesson. Then he said, if you are a king, you are not lay on the ground, I will make a beautiful bed, and I will make a little palace to you. He said, and he take that, and in that bone, he took a bone, and in that a little bed for her, and fruits, and everything what he wants to eat. Then he provided all those in that. That is the matter, I am the king of this kingdom, I am going to take rest, you will take care of the kingdom now. The rat said to the king. Then king, okay, that's okay, go and take rest. Then the rat is walking so proudly, and if he entered into the bone, then the king closed the door, and told that, if you feel very proud, then you will see this only, you can't be able to get out of this, your life is over. That is the story, ma'am. Thank you. If I said any
Thank you, Sudha.
mistakes, I'm so sorry,
What
I
is
didn't
bone?
prepare it
What
well.
is bone,
I
Sudha? Sudha, what is
ma'am,
bone?
prison,
Bone.
ma'am.
Cage.
I'm sorry.
Cage.
Cage.
Not
Yes. Oh, okay, ma'am. Okay,
no
ma'am.
Telugu
was
word.
good.
Very good.
Actually, ma'am,
Very.
that is a Telugu
Very good.
story. I'll tell with so many expressions. That is called అర్ధరాత్రికి వస్తాను నా ఎలుకల సైన్యం తెస్తాను నీ బట్టలు కన్నాలు పెడతాను నిన్ను ముప్ప తిప్పలు పెడతాను. That is the rhyming word, ma'am. So people when the children listen to this rhyming, they feel very happy and involved in this very in joyful manner. So that is
Very
the
good,
matter.
Sudha.
I didn't-
Very good, Sudha. You can do
Thank
this
you,
in
ma'am.
English
Thank
with
you
your
so
kids
much.
now.
Ma'am?
You can share this story in English now to the children also.
Yes, ma'am. For the first time, I translated a Telugu story into English in front of you only.
Very good, Sudha. This is the only way you will learn, Sudha. So very nicely done, Sudha. Only the word cage I did not
Thank you so
understand.
much.
Rest I understood your story.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Sudha. Thank you. All the best, Sudha.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am.
So Sudha kept my word, being the naughtiest in the class. How she does in my class also same thing, all naughty things like the rat only.
No, ma'am.
So anyway, some teachers, I mean, not exactly teachers, some students also have to be this way, so that there is a fun in the class. If all the teachers are so dignified and so good, only this teacher. And Suchi, the other part is, she's the best friend of Ammaji. She's one of the quietest in the class and she's one of the naughtiest.
Actually, you see, Sudha needs somebody to listen to her. So she found the right combination.
Right person.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. You are right.
Yeah. We all know that. Yeah. Now I'll introduce Umadevi Garu. She's one of the quietest in the class, but she runs a school, and I think she does social service also. She teaches so many classes put together, and she's interested, and she does social service to the school also. And then a lot of things she helps the students there. And then other than her teaching, she does a lot of other activities too. So Umadevi Garu, please. Umadevi Garu, are you there?
Yeah.
Umadevi Garu.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
This is Umadevi. I am from Anantapur district, ma'am, Andhra Pradesh. Today I am very thankful to Madhavi ma'am because of she is introduced me for this English time for teacher, and our mentor and our teacher Lata ma'am and Kiran ma'am. Heartful thanks to them. And first of all, welcome to you, ma'am. This session.
Thank you.
This English for time is not only useful for me, ma'am, but all teachers are useful this training, ma'am. And I'm very interested to speak in English, ma'am. So, ma'am once told me English time for teachers training is there. So I'm joined this class, ma'am. Before I was very little more knowledge about English, ma'am, but now I have some more knowledge to speak. Special thanks to Madhuri ma'am and Lata ma'am. That's it, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Uma, very good. Uma, what do you teach in school? Like, what subjects are you teaching?
Ma'am, I teach all subjects, ma'am, 4 subjects, ma'am. We are 2 teachers are there. I take 3 classes, ma'am, first, second, and 5th class. My colleague takes second, third, and 4th class, ma'am. So I teach all subjects, ma'am. Telugu, English, Maths, and EVS, ma'am.
And how many children are there in your class, like in the school?
In my school, 50 children are there, ma'am. We are sharing those children. In my part, 30 members. Madam have 2 to 20 members.
Okay.
So, yes, ma'am.
So do you stay in school campus or outside school?
Outside,
Like
ma'am.
outside.
Yes.
And how many children do you have?
I have 2 children, ma'am. One daughter and one son, ma'am.
And they go to another school?
They are in a hostel, ma'am. They got seat, ma'am, in Jawahar Navodaya. Both
Okay.
are studying in Lepakshi, ma'am, Anantapur district, Lepakshi, Jawahar Navodaya school, ma'am.
Okay. And how old are they?
My son is studying +2, ma'am.
Okay.
My daughter is class, ma'am, now.
Okay. So you are alone here without children. How do you manage? You miss them?
Yes, ma'am, lot of, ma'am.
So you go and meet them?
Yes, ma'am. Monthly once we go and meet them, ma'am.
Okay. So they were with you during COVID? Online classes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what else do you like to do apart from teaching?
My teachers in COVID time, ma'am, they are very suffering from their lack of. They don't know classes, ma'am. So
yeah,
I provide them videos, ma'am, WhatsApp videos, and I was making YouTube videos also, ma'am, to help them, and I will put them and share them, ma'am, in the WhatsApp group. So they are preparing them, ma'am.
So you prepared lessons for them and you shared it with them, right? Very good, very good, very good, Umar. I'm so impressed with you. So for doing that, because it takes courage to make YouTube videos because we are not so tech savvy still. And I think this COVID times have taught us all this.
Yes,
So it's very encouraging to know. So why did you take up this English time course?
Because, ma'am, I'm very interesting to speak in English, ma'am. That's why I take this training class, ma'am.
But you teach in Telugu in your school?
Telugu and English, ma'am.
Both you teach. Medium.
No,
Okay.
ma'am. Medium, but now introduced English medium, ma'am.
Okay.
Then, so I will preparing, ma'am, English too. I will teach in English my children little words, ma'am. English to English I will teach there.
Okay.
There are but not enough, ma'am. Little sentences I will teach there.
Don't worry, Uma. This English, learning a language is a never-ending thing. So you will always keep on learning. This is the basics Lata ma'am is teaching you. But after that, it's a long way. So keep on listening, keep on talking, and it will help you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, and keep on making videos.
Thank you.
Yeah. Okay, Uma. All the best, Uma. All the best to you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Uma.
Thank you, Madhavi Garu. Actually, she suggested us that she will send her videos to us, and if she sends us now one of the videos, I think Amina ma'am is going to share it to you, so that now you can see how she's doing about the classes and everything.
Yeah.
Please, Madhavi Garu, please share your videos to us. I was mentioning last time, but we were not very serious. But maybe the coming weeks, you can coming week basically you can share a couple of videos in the group so that everybody will see it. Yeah. And one more thing I appreciate with her is she does recycling also. Oh, that
Oh.
atta bags come na, she
Yes,
actually
yes.
uses that as planters. That
Wow.
other day she was sharing with us, and she has a mini garden also, kitchen garden. All this she manages other than her school teaching and all. There are only a couple of teachers in her school, and she does a lot of things for the school itself. And whenever we ask something, she says, I'll do something to the school only. So that kind of a dedicated teacher I have seen in her. And she's very quiet in my class, one of the quietest, opposite to Sudha, I can say. Yeah. The last in the class is Aruneshri. She has so many revolutionary ideas. She has a lot of reform. Something like reforming something in the society, that kind of ideas. And she reads a lot of books, and she shares with us. And she's Aruneshri. Aruneshri.
Good evening, ma'am.
Yeah.
I am Arunashri. Good evening, Suchi ma'am.
Good
I
evening.
am glad to see you in this class. I'm eagerly waiting a guest like you on every Saturday. And first of all, I would like to say thanks to Lata ma'am, Amina ma'am, Kiran Mai ma'am, and especially Madhvi ma'am, because Madhvi ma'am introduced me to this platform. I don't have confidence and fluency in English. That's why I joined in this class. I never had a platform like this before, and I am very comfortable now with my English, and I increased my confidence to speak English. And me and my daughter both are a huge fans of Lata ma'am. Every evening from 6 o'clock onwards, we are eagerly waiting for Lata ma'am. And I am very happy to have a good platform. And I hope I will learn and I will speak fluently now. Thank you.
Hi, Arunashri. I'm so happy your daughter is also learning with you. So it's a package deal, huh, Lata ma'am? English time for teacher and child?
Actually, when she just comes to the class, she just keeps peeping, her name is Maitri. Then I said, we both are friends. Then she understands what I'm talking, but she's very shy to reply. But she's, I think, one of the youngest I must have taught. I've never taught so small girls, she's there in the class every time I see her. And then I really like that, the children are getting, coming with their mothers and joining the classes and listening to them. It's something really very different experience for me.
So Arunashri,
Yes,
what do you
active?
Yeah, passive.
I was saying, yeah, passive learners as well.
Yes.
Active learner is Arunashri and passive learner is Maitri. Good to know.
So Arunashri, what do you love to do? Like, you love teaching or learning is more fun?
I like teaching very much, ma'am. And I like writing also very much. And
Okay.
I just wrote some stories and some lines in Telugu. But now I try to write in English also.
Very good, Arunashri. I think you should write in English so that your English will also improve, and then you can send to Lata ma'am to check for if there is something that you want to be corrected.
Sure.
That way you will actually know your mistakes, or wherever you can do corrections. So a very good hobby of reading, what Lata ma'am was telling. It's a very good hobby, and now you should pick up some English books to read, some simple English books to start. So what else do you do, like in your free time, except writing?
Reading books is my hobby, ma'am.
Okay.
I always read books, and I always want to learn new things.
Very
Uh, I try to learn drawing and so many craft works. Especially, I don't have so much of interest except reading, ma'am. But just now, I try to expand my hobbies now.
So is this a COVID effect, Nashiri, that you were sitting at home, so you said, okay, let me develop some hobbies now. Is it that
Yes.
way?
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am, yes. Yeah.
So do you like to cook also?
Yes, ma'am.
You love cooking?
Yes, ma'am. It's my regular work, ma'am. Actually, not only me, for every woman, it's a
No, no.
compulsory.
See,
So I
that
love
is not loving. That is out of compulsion. We have to cook to feed our family. I'm asking, do you love to cook? See, if you ask me, I'll make dal chawal and one sabji and say my work is done. Okay, now I don't have to go in the kitchen. So is it like that for you, Arunashiri?
Veg biryani, ma'am.
Oh, so you love to cook veg biryani?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
And your daughter loves it?
Yes, ma'am.
Sorry
She
to
loves
interrupt
it
you,
very
Suchi.
much,
Sorry
ma'am.
to
That's
interrupt.
why
Yeah,
I
But
love.
my class is full of cooks, you know. They
I
make
know.
amazing. Everybody, you ask from simple things to biryani, they're ready to serve us. I think we should all go to their place and sit and have something like
So
that.
I think, Lata ma'am, next time you give them a homework to write a recipe and share with you.
Share with you.
Yeah,
I
so
know.
at least
That will
you will
be
know
very
what's
nice.
more passionate, what is the item that they love to cook.
Love. Yeah. One of the
Yeah.
assignment I should give.
Yes. So
Shuchi,
Aruna,
Mike does this. Shuchi, the conversation is very interesting, but we are coming to the end of our
Yes.
session. Would you like
Yes.
to give a closing note or
Yes.
something to all
Yes.
of them? Address them
Yeah, I
from
am
your
so
heart,
glad.
please. Yeah.
Yeah, I am so glad that Mamina ji invited me for this. I was a little scared because I have never done this type of thing. I can talk in English, that's okay, because I have been studying in English medium. But I am so happy that I did it. And I am so glad to meet all you wonderful ladies. And Lata ma'am, you have done a great job. Because learning a language and teaching a language both are very tough initially, but you took them to a platform from where they can start on their own. That's the commendable job, and I really salute you first of all, and Madhvi ji, for bringing these wonderful ladies together, because bringing them is also one thing, to know who wants what. And really great, and our teacher community rocks.
Thank you, ma'am.
Anytime.
Yes, thank you so much. Thank you, Amina ji. Thank you, Kiran Mai, for
Well, a
giving me
quick,
this opportunity.
Yeah, absolutely. Thank you. You rocked, Shuchi. Any of you would like to speak anything, ask anything, Shuchi? 5 minutes will extend the class today. If any of you want to interact with her, you can ask her
Noticed
anything
girl
you
can
want.
do it.
She's very sportive.
Yeah.
Anything you
Sudha,
want.
you can do it first. Sudha, you can
Yeah.
start off.
Any questions you all have, you can please interact with.
Sudha is putting.
She's always the first one to start, you know. Madhvi, you can
Ma'am,
also.
Ma'am, why are you stopping your doing job at home, ma'am?
Madhvi ma'am, what happened was, when I moved from Dubai to Muscat, my children were very small, and moreover, they were not giving me a part-time job, because in Dubai, I was on my own visa, my husband's visa. And in Dubai, you are allowed to work on a husband's visa. So I had the flexibility of working. But once I moved to Muscat, I did not have the flexibility. And with small children, I did not want to leave them with maids or full time. So then I said, okay, I will quit. And that's the reason I stopped working.
Okay, ma'am. Okay. But then
she works.
And your background.
No, she works. It is just that she's not paid by a company,
paid
but then
for
she
it.
works for
Yeah.
us.
We don't pay.
Yeah. No, this was Calm for You came in COVID time because I had no idea about this, and it was a good thing that Jyoti introduced us through the course, and me and one of my friend, we did the course and we decided that why don't we join it? Whatever we can do sitting far away, let's do that at least. So it's only that we did not give back to society living so far away. We thought, okay, let's give back something to the society now.
And you're giving much more. Not something, but yeah, you're giving a
No,
lot.
okay.
I thought it's my opinion when I see you at first time. You're best opt for teaching, ma'am.
Madhviji, this is because it runs in my genes. Both my parents are teachers. So I think that teaching and this talking ability is all given in my genes from them.
The best quality I found in you, you are a best listener, and after you will give best sort suggestions for us.
Thank you
It's a
so
great,
much.
It's a great one, ma'am.
Thank you so much. Thank you so
Anybody
much.
else? Anyone else would like to interact with Shuchi?
Madam Suchi ma'am,
Yeah.
can I ma'am?
Yeah. Yes. Yeah, she hasn't joined yet.
No, Sudha is not joined.
Thank you so much, Shuchi, today being a holiday for you there. I understand in Oman.
No, it's okay.
Also from your family time.
My half family is not here only, Meena ji.
Yeah.
My son has gone to boarding. My husband has gone to India to drop him. So it's okay.
Yeah. Free time now.
Yeah.
Where is Sudha? Everybody but Sudha is joining.
Yeah. Yes, she's there. Yeah, Sudha.
Hi, ma'am.
Hi.
Ma'am, what do you like most in this session, ma'am?
I liked your story of the rat.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, I think you should write that story and then get it corrected in English.
Sure, ma'am. I will.
So you get two things. You will get your English writing skills better, and then whatever correction will come, you'll know where you were going wrong.
Okay.
So if you need
Okay,
any
sure.
help, Sudha, you can take my email ID, and if you want me to correct your stories, you can send them to me also. If Lata ma'am is
Sure,
busy,
ma'am. Sure, ma'am.
I will help you with that.
Thank you so much, ma'am. I will.
Yeah, Sudha. It will be like translating some local classic Telugu stories to English.
Yes, ma'am. We will do, ma'am.
Yeah.
The number of mentors you all have. Lata
Yes,
ma'am,
ma'am,
my-
of course.
so many
Vani,
mentors.
you wanted to ask something quickly? Vani, you wanted to ask something? Please.
Yes, ma'am.
quickly do.
Yes, ma'am. Can I, ma'am?
Yeah. Yes.
So,
Yes, Vani.
Suchi ma'am, good evening.
Good
Very
evening.
glad to meet you. Happy to see you like this, ma'am. Really, it's a wonderful opportunity to all. From me, a small question to you, ma'am.
Yes,
You are
please,
from
Vani.
you are from Trampton Trees engineer, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes. If you will get a chance in that company, then you again join that company, ma'am.
Yeah, but I am now in Oman, so I won't get a job. So if I go back to India, if I get a job, surely I'll join back. Because now my kids are quite big.
Yeah. So now you will take one day, I mean, to encourage the students where in India, some engineers are like, so you should keep them with your online class, you will take, ma'am.
I can encourage children, but who will come to me now? You know, Vani, the new generation is much more advanced than us. They question us. So when we did our engineering in 1994, I did my engineering, Vani. So now if you see, do I not look that old? I'm going to be 50 next year, Vani.
But
So I am not a fresh engineer. No, I am not too young. I'll be 50 next year, Vani. So nobody will come to me for suggestions. Huh? They give us suggestions nowadays.
In my mind, one thing I think about you, ma'am. You will give some suggestions to upcoming engineers who are studying just like that.
I can give suggestions according to what my experiences are there. I'm always ready to share my experiences.
Yes, ma'am. So if it is there, if there is a chance, then will support us, ma'am. In my rural area, so many engineers are they are studying, ma'am. Okay. Now they are in engineering. So you will give some suggestions to them when
we
reach you, ma'am.
Sure, Vani. You can get in touch with Amina ji or Kiran Mai. If I can help, I will surely help.
Yeah,
Thank you. Vani, you should ask. Yeah, you should ask them to enroll for our Unnati program.
Yes.
We'll be sharing that shortly.
Yes.
It will be helpful for the engineering final year students.
Final year
getting
students.
job readiness program. And yes, Suchi will definitely add value there. So we have some plans for Suchi also there. So yes.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Vani.
Anybody else? We've overshot our time. I know all of you are for time. But if there's something quickly you all want to talk,
Can I ask one question?
Yeah, please go ahead.
Suchi ma'am.
Yes.
In your view, what is meaning by happy? What is happy? In your view.
What is happiness to me?
No, not your. What is the meaning of happy? In your view.
In my view, what is the meaning of being happy?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Sharda, I'll tell you, my meaning has changed in COVID completely. Before that, meaning of happy was very different, very materialistic. It was linked to travel, money, good food, good clothes, jewelry maybe. But in these 2 years, my thing is good health. Being happy is good health. You should be healthy. That is very important. Everything else does not matter.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you very much.
Be healthy, actually.
Yes.
We should be blessed to be healthy.
Yes. So health is the most important thing to be happy.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Sharda.
Are we done? Anybody else? Uma Devi, Ammaji, who did not ask Subbalakshmi, Aruna.
Now I can see your daughter, Arunashri. Finally, the passive member also peaked. Somebody?
Yeah. She must be there.
Is that all? Shall we close?
Yeah, I think we can close.
Kiran, thank you. You haven't spoken, Kiran.
Yes, Kiran.
Thank you. What should I say? Suchi, you as usual, you've rocked. I can see all happy faces here. All the teachers are very contented and happy.
Thank you so much.
So glad to have you with us, Suchi. And as usual, you've killed it.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Thanks for taking time out.
Thank you so much, Amina ji. Thank you.
Thank you, all learners. All of you rocked. All of you spoke very well.
You've actively participated.
Everybody participated. Very proud of all of you. Maybe you were.
And thank you, Jyoti, for as usual supporting us. Always being our backbone.
Come on to video. Come on to video.
Jyoti, video.
Jyoti, come on to video. Yeah, Jyoti. She's
our social media
our backbone. She's our backbone. She supports us from the back end. Thank you, Jyoti.
Thank you.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.
Have a nice.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Bye.
And Lata ma'am, thank you for bringing up our learners to this level.
Yeah.
They have become my kids now.
They all rocked. They all
Yes.
rocked. All of them.
Yes.
Really, I'm
Yes,
so
thank you.
happy, you know.
Yes.
It is like being a very proud mother to me today.
Yes, surely I can sense that proud in your
Yeah,
pride
yeah.
in your voice every time you talk about my students,
My
my children.
So,
So
that
English
class so
time
connected to
rocks.
me. Yeah.
English time also
Always,
rocks.
always,
Yes.
always.
Thank you, Kam,
Yeah.
for you
Thank you,
also.
everyone.
Suchi ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank
Thank
you.
you,
Thank you, ma'am.
So
Thank you,
much.
ma'am. Madhvi Garu. All the
Bye.
Thank you so
teachers.
much, ma'am.
We'll meet on Monday once again.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.